Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this commercial cotton candy machine. This thing looks so fun. It's got a huge aluminum container here. You've got your little spoon and this super cute machine. Now this has got these 4 rubber pads right here on the bottom, and then these 3 clips that will just clip this machine right together, and then we will turn it on and get it heated up. So once it's in there, you just push it down, and you can see these clips are all in place. And then you got a 110 outlet, you just plug it in. Once you have it plugged in, you've got your power button right here. And it takes off. Now this is your dial to control your temperature over here. And then you've just got to get this set up to between 80 and 85. And then you are ready to go. So it takes about 5 minutes to heat up. So here's the machine as it is heating up. This has got a 1,000-watt heating power in here. And it has these nice vents right here on the side that allows all the air to be able to escape out. And you can actually use this thing for 3 hours continuously. This is a neat little machine. I mean, it is just spinning around in there, getting all warmed up. We've got our little voltmeter right here, the temperature and our power. And it does have a really neat bayonet mounting method, like I showed you, where it all just kind of hooks in place. And then this is stuck on here really nice. You can actually feel this already heating up. So a few more minutes and we will add in our sugar. So now all we have to do is add our sugar right in this little center hole here. Oh, so cool. That is so cool. Look at the cotton candy coming up.
Take it out.
I don't know. Oh my goodness,
Make
that is
some more.
so fun. So this can actually work for 3 continuous hours, and this will make 6 different cotton candies with just this one serving in here. This is so fun. You can use this at different carnivals or school events, all sorts of different things with just a little bit of sugar. Ah! This is a really cool machine that is easy to use and super fun. To clean it, all you have to do is just simply add a little bit of water right here in the spinner. And then we are going to shut off the machine and get it cleaned up. So now that it's stopped spinning, I'm just simply going to take a rag, and then all of this just wipes right up